This is part 2, my viewers. Welcome again, part 2 of my pigeon pea soup, otherwise called Gungu Pea Soup. On a nice rainy day, farm is looking fresh and lush. Everything looking so good right now. Can hear the water in the background. Lots of rain today. This is part 2 of my pigeon pea soup, Gungu Pea Soup, otherwise called Gungu Pea. They would say Gungu Peas in Jamaica, Gungu Peas Soup. Look at the beauty, look at it, my viewers, look at it. Grass-fed beef soup, look at these yams. You see? This is outdoor country lifestyle. Beef, no fat on these beef. That's natural grass-fed beef. See? You have the pumpkin, carrots, Irish, cocoa, you name it. Koja country lifestyle, like to cook soup. See the thyme, the scallion, pimento, a whole stuff season. The soup is just simmering down, you know, it can't drink, it's still ready, but I'll just let it stay there, you know. But I simmer down some more. Welcome back to all my latest people who have subscribed to my channel. Welcome to Culture Country Lifestyle, my viewers. Just natural scallion.
Representing a culture country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. The country life sweet. Me say the countryman is smart. Me say fi track the streets. You have be tough like rock. Just thumbs up on all our vibes. If you like the content, just subscribe. Just ring the bell at any time, so you can know when the new content arrives.
My YouTube family, I'm gonna share out some food for all of my YouTube family. Marva, you're gonna get Bet, Old Story Time, Sue, Vanessa, all of the team, Judith, everyone. Even if you don't call your name, you're all gonna get. Look at it, grass-fed. See, grass-fed beef. Look at it. Every one of my YouTube family gonna get a cup of soup now. My YouTube family, just imagine that you're having a nice cup of this soup right now, warm, tantalizing to the taste bud. Every one of my viewers, just imagine. Every one of my viewers, thanks for watching. Please like. If you don't subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe, and you can leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.